Welcome back, fourth graders and teachers. Again, this is Emily Peterson, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the levels and additional practice. In the last video, I briefly talked about the home page, materials, and pre-assessment. And now in this video, I'm going to talk about the levels and additional practice. So, real quick, where we left off, I was just going through how to get started. So again, you will want to print the materials. You can, you don't have to. Complete the pre-assessment. And now what I'm going to talk about now is how to sign up and get started. So the levels, there are 4 different levels. Each of them focus on different keyboarding skills. And in each level there are lessons. And the website that I'm using for the lessons is this typing club. So what you're going to want to do is get signed up. So you're going to go to the website and you're going to want to create an account. So if you're not already signed up, you just hit sign up. I have already created an account, so I will log in. And then once you create your account, you're good to go. You just hit start right here. You click start right here, and then that's how you start your lessons. So I've obviously completed some of the lessons already. Yours will look a little bit different. So that's how you get started and you sign up. So I'm going to go back to my page here, and I'm just going to quickly talk about the levels. So there are 4 different levels, as I said in the last video. Each of them focus on a different row, and then the 4th level focuses on all of the rows. So you always want to start with level 1. Then when you are done with level 1, you'll go to 2, 3, and 4. So in level 1, you're going to want to complete the activities first and then the assessment. So you'll click on activities. And it says, welcome to level 1. In this level, you will learn about correct body and hand positions. You will also learn about home row keys. I have a list of directions here, so you're going to want to complete the lessons first and then play the games. So I have a couple videos here that you'll want to watch, and then I have the lesson. So all of the levels are set up the same, where I have the lessons first and then the activities. And in each level, you're going to want to complete the lessons first and then do the activities. When you're done with the lessons and activities, you'll want to do the assessment. So I'll just show you a quick example here. You'll want to log in. I'll have to do it again. Okay. And then I said to complete levels, let's see, 1 through 24. So you'll hit start, go to the top, and go to level 1, and then you'll do levels 1 through 24. So as you can see, if you make an error, it will show up red and it will let you do it again. I'll make another error, and it'll let you redo it. So that's a little bit about Typing Club. I use this website for all the lessons throughout key practice. So by the end, you'll be very familiar with this website. It's great because it tracks your progress, it gives you stars. That's why I have you create an account, so you can track your progress and collect all those stars. Then at the end of each level, I have 3 different games that relate to the lessons. So these are all games that are about the home row. Then at the end it says, do you feel ready to go to the next level? You need to pass the test first. Go to the main tab above and click on Level 1 Assessments to take the Level 1 test. So after you complete the games, you're going to go to Level 1 Assessments. And each student will first complete a checklist by themselves. This will just let them know if they are ready to go to the next level or to take the final assessment. And then the student will want to find the teacher, and then the teacher will give them the final test. There are two. The first one is the test that focuses on the lessons. So for example, level 1 focused on home row, so this test will be on home row. The second test is the same test as the pre-assessment, and it's just a 1-minute typing test. This is for the teacher to track the student's progress. I have a website, or I have a document here for the rubric that the teacher can fill out, and the students have to receive a 12 out of 15 to move to the next level. If they get a 12 or above, they can go to the next level. If they do not get a 12 out of 15, then they'll have to go back, complete the lessons and do games, and keep doing that until they feel ready again. So I just briefly explained it, but each level is the same. So here, level 2 is top row. Do the games and then take the assessment. And then the assessments are the same. So yeah. So then the students will, I'll go back to my home page for the steps. So then they'll complete level 3, or level 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then once they're done with level 4, they will go to additional practice. And I briefly explained that in the other video, but it's basically just for the early finishers that complete all the levels early and they need more practice. I think that this page is very important because I don't think that any students will just master keyboarding. I think there's always room for improvement. So that's why I created this page. So thank you for listening to my 2 videos. I have now completed all the instructions for key practice. So go ahead, get started, and remember to have fun. All right, good luck.